Hello, I'm Sanjay Kumar. I am CEO of Diligence. I have Mr. Sagar Diman with me. He has 3 years of experience and he has developed a product named Hookah for You. Sagar, congratulations. You now have 200 sales of Hookah for You.
Yeah, thanks, Sanjay. It's a good news, and I am waiting eagerly to make this number even in thousand by improving our product more and more.
Great, great. And Sagar, how this idea came to your mind?
Yeah, it's all due to our prospective clients. We saw that many clients want to get a dating app developed. Our client have the idea to get people connected with other people of their interest, and they want to get it done quickly, and they are looking for a cost-effective solution.
Great. So, Sagar, how much time it took to get it developed, and what was the shape? What all features were there in beginning?
Yeah, we launched it almost in 3 months time, and all the features are not there in the beginning. We added some features based on our client needs and their suggestion, like audio and video call and ad mob and paid subscription was not there in the beginning.
Okay. So, based on your client's need, client request, you have added those features, right?
Yes.
Great, great. So, basically, your prospective client or your client are the main source of bringing this product to this stage, right?
Yes, we are on this stage due to our client supports. Clients are regularly coming to us and let us know their needs and what should we can improve in our app. So they are the person.
Great, great. Sagar, can you give me a demo of your app?
Yeah, sure. Let me just share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So whenever user registered, they will be landed on this page,
All right.
and they can, as you can see, there are many cards over there. So these
Okay.
cards are coming based on their preferences, how preferences they are settled. Uh, I have which user I want to see, like man, woman, or everyone, and I can change my distance, how much distance from they are coming, and the age range. So behalf on that, the user card will be show here.
All right.
Yes, from there we can like them or we can reject them, or
Good.
we can also see their information, which they have provided to us, like they are from in Delhi, and from there they have studied, and how much far they are from to me, and if I want to report, if I see something wrong there in this image area, so I can report also, and I can like or dislike from there also.
All right.
So yes, and whenever I like this profile, and if I get liked by the second user, so I will get a match, and if I get a match, I will be notified soon, I will be notified immediately, you got a match with this person, and then I can start chatting.
All right.
Yes, I can send messages in our chatting section. I can do audio and video call, and I can do report, and I can also block this user if I face any issue.
All right. Great.
Yes, in our chat we can share images and text messages too.
All right. And
Yes,
you have paid subscription as well, right?
yes, we have paid subscription always also. Paid subscription are for if I want to swipe unlimited users, admin can restrict, if like he has given access to me only for 10 users, but I want to swipe more, then I can go with premium plan.
All right, great.
Yes, and I have some more features, like I can invite to my friends, and some regular features like log out and delete. And I can also change my phone number. I can change also my location, current location, to any other location. And I have also, like I can add my information about me. I can add more pictures to there, and some other fields like job title, company name, a university name. And user can also control his, like if he or she don't want to show their age or don't want to show their distance visible, they can handle from here.
All right.
Yes.
And is there any admin interface using
Yes.
this?
Yes, we have admin panel also. Like from admin can control the users. They can delete, or they can block users if they face any issue.
All right, all right. So admin panel is only available for the admin to manage different things, right?
Yes, they from their admin can perform many things. Like uh, he can give access to unlimited swipes, and he can restrict us to only for 10, 20, or 30, something like a number, for free swipes.
All right, all right. And I saw on your Code Canon page that you have mentioned Apple is not accepting this app. So why Apple is not accepting this dating app?
Actually, Apple says that they have many enough apps of this dating type, and they are considering a form of spam for more dating apps. Although you can be able to publish the app only if you are targeting a specific community, and make some tweaks in the functionalities. And by the way, Apple is Apple, and they have their own way to review the applications. And it's not like that they will not accept. They have also accept our two apps which are live now.
All right. So can you show me the live app examples?
Let me share my second screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So you want to see Apple applications?
All right.
Yes. Here is first one, named Flirty, and the second one is available on our Code Canon page too. Sorry, the second one is named Milan in Love. Or like its URL not available to me right now.
All right.
Yes, and for Android platform, we have many apps available right now. Like the first one is Coffee.dating, and the second one, let me search for Waglu, one of our apps. Yeah, this one. These apps are live on Play Store.
Good, good. And Sagar, do you provide customization services? And if a customer want to get his app released using their account, so are you providing these type of services?
Yes, we have. We provide this type of services. Like clients can contact us using our official page, help.diligence.com, under contact section.
All right, all right. So you have used this code in many dating app. Any other example where you have used this code?
Besides dating app, we have used it for language learning app.
Language learning app.
Yeah.
How that was possible? Like how you did that?
Actually, the idea of this learning language app is one of our client, in which what we do is, in this app we provide option to choose their native and interest for learning language, and then we match the native language speaker with other to help each other to learn and speak their interesting language. Then they can meet using our audio and video call, and they can meetings uh, to learn their native languages.
So basically, your app is getting them help in learning language using audio and video calls, so they can speak with the language
Yeah,
person. Okay, that's
right.
great.
Right.
And thanks, Sagar. Thanks for your time. Thanks for giving the demo and other details. I wish all the best to this product hook up for you and to your other project.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sanjay.
Hello, I'm Sanjay Kumar. I am CEO of Diligence. Today I have Mr. Sagar with me. Sagar has 3 years of experience in Flutter development, and Sagar has created an app named Hookup for You for dating purpose. Sagar, congratulations! Your Hookup for You now have 200 sales on Code Cannon.
Yeah, thanks, Sanjay. It's a good news, and I am waiting eagerly to make this number even in thousand by improving our product more and more.
Great. So Sagar, how this idea came to your mind?
Uh, it's all due to our prospective clients. We saw that many of our clients want a dating app developed. Our clients have the idea to get people connected with other people of their interest. They want to get it done quickly, and they are looking for a cost-effective solution.
That's great. And how much time it took you to get it developed,
Uh,
and what all feature were there in starting?
yes, we launched it in within 3 months time, and all the features are not there in beginning. We add feature based on our client need and their suggestions, like audio and video calling, paid subscriptions, and ad mob. These features are not there in beginning.
Great. So based on your client's need, you added a lot of features like audio, video calling, add more integration, paid subscription. So it means your client are driving your product to great success. They are adding a lot of value, right?
Right. So yes, we are on the stage, we are here due to our client supports. Client are regularly coming to us and let us know their need and our improvement areas.
Alright. सागर दोबारा से स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पे ना। एक तो मैंने ये क्वेश्चन चेंज कर दिया है, वो
जी वही
क्वेश्चन
ना,
भी रखता हूँ कि उसकी वजह
स्टेज
से
वगैरह
ना।
आया ही नहीं।
हाँ, वर ऑल द फीचर्स देयर फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग। ओके।
कोई नहीं, संजय हम कर लेते हैं।
हाँ। Hello, I am Sanjay Kumar, and I have Mr. Sagar with me. Sagar has 3 years of experience in Flutter development. Sagar, congratulations. Your product Hookup for You now have 200 sales on Code Cannon.
Thanks, Sanjay. It's a good news, and I am waiting eagerly to make this number even in thousand by improving our product more and more.
That's great. And Sagar, how this idea came to your mind?
Actually, it's all due to our prospective clients. We saw that many clients want to get a dating app developed. And our clients have the idea to get people connected with the other people of their interest, and they want to get it done quickly, and they are looking for a cost-effective solution.
Great. So, Sagar, how much time it took you to get it developed?
We launched it within 3 months time.
And were there all the feature from beginning?
No, all the features are not there from the beginning. We added features based on our client need and their suggestions, like audio and video calling, paid subscription, and mobile ad mode, but not there in the beginning.
Great. So a lot of great features were added based on your client suggestions, like audio, video calling, paid subscription, and even AdMob integration. So I can say that your client are contributing a lot in bringing this product to greater life and improving this app, right?
Yes, we are here from our clients' support, and clients are regularly coming to us and let us know their needs and our improvement areas.
Okay, great. Sagar, can you give me a demo of your app?
Yes, let me share my screen.
All right.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
So here I have some screenshots. As you can see, when a user registered, he will be landed to this page, and he will show users based on preferences. Like he settled, like he want female gender user, like within age range of 15 to 50, and and the radius will be like the distance radius should be 50 kilometers, within 50 kilometers.
All right.
So he or she will show profiles like that, and from there user can like or dislike the other profile, and based on their if they got match, they will get match if the both users like each other profile.
All
And
right.
if they get matched, they will show a screen like that, and they will get notified soon.
Good.
And we can also check a user's information, something like that. And when they get matched, they can start chat.
All right.
Yes. So here are the chat screenshot, and we have also audio and video calling feature. So let me just share new screens. I think it's not there in this one.
All right. Not a problem. So,
Yes.
Sagar, is there any interface for admin from where he can see the users and anything
Yes.
like that?
Yes, we also developed a admin panel for user safety. Like if anyone face any problem, so he or she can report other user, and the reported user will be go to admin panel, and from where admin can block or delete the user profile if he face any issue with profile, or from where admin can also like handle how much free swipe should be there in free plan, and he can set in premium plan how much radius I can go through. So yes, we have admin plan to manage users.
That's great. Sagar, it's mentioned on your Code Canon page that Apple is rejecting this app. So, what's the reason behind that?
Yes, actually, Apple says that they have many apps of these dating type apps. So they are considered a form of spam for more dating apps. Although you can be able to publish the app only if you are targeting a specific community and make some tweaks in the functionality. So it's not all about like they are rejecting only our app. They are not accepting more dating apps.
All right.
Although they have also accepted our two of our apps when we have targeted some specific community and make some changes, a little
All
bit
right.
change.
So Sagar, can you show me your live apps?
Yes,
So they are already on Play Store and Apple Store.
yes. Like this is on Apple Store, name Flirty. This is our app.
Okay.
Yeah, we have used the same code, hookup for you code in this, and the other one is Milan in Love. So these two apps are on Apple Store, and we have also some other apps on Play Store, like the same Milan in Love,
All
and another one is Baglu, and our hookup for you, and we have also two or three apps more, like for dating. Yeah, this one.
all right. So Sagar, you have used this code in many dating apps, right?
Yes.
All right. Any other example where you have used Hookup for You?
Yes, beside dating app, we have used it for language learning app.
All right. So can you give me the uh, can you show it to me?
What?
Can you show it to me?
Yes. Let me just show it to you.
Or Dia, right?
Right, right. Yeah, this one.
All right. So can you say something more about this app?
Yeah, this is a language learning app, like from where user can registered, and we ask for what is his native language and what he wants to learn, and based on that we based on that we show him like other users from where he can learn other language by scheduling the meetings using our audio and video calls.
All right. Great. Thanks, Sagar. Thanks for the wonderful interview and thanks for the demo. I wish you all the best for your Hookup for You and for your future projects.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sanjay. Thank you.
Thanks.